high-grade steel, the kind that's tough and has appeal. But let me tell you something true. That geometry's what pulls you through. It's not the steel, it's how it's shaped. The angles cut, the edge that's taped. A sharper line, a finer grind. That's where the power you'll find. Good hardest blade, but if the edge is poorly made, it won't hold up, it won't perform. It's the geometry that keeps it warm. It's not the steel, it's how it's shaped. The angles cut, the edge that's taped. A sharper line, a finer grind. That's where the power you'll find. Steel can be the finest kind, but without that perfect line, it's just a blade that'll break when it's the cut you wanna make. It's not the steel, it's how it's shaped. The angles cut, the edge that's taped. A sharper line, a finer grind. That's where the power you'll find. So when you choose your knife to wield, remember it's the edge that's sealed. Geometry over steel every time.